Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you 6 things you can do in VLC Media Player. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. 1. Convert to different file formats. You can convert to different file formats using VLC Media Player. Here are the steps to follow. In VLC, find the media option in the menu bar above, and click on Convert, Save. Press the Add button to open the media you wish to convert. Find the video in question, and click on Open. Now press the Convert/Save button. When you're presented with the conversion options, select the desired target file type in Profile, for example, H.264 with MP3 audio. Don't forget to set the destination file, then press Start. 2. Stream from VLC to Chromecast. If you have a Chromecast device, an Android TV television, or a television that uses Android TV as its software, you can use VLC on your Windows-based PC to cast media to it. Follow these steps. Open the video you wish to cast to Chromecast with VLC. Click on the playback option from the menu bar at the top, and select the renderer option. Select the device you wish to cast to. If you're using VLC to cast to your Chromecast for the first time, you'll also need to permanently accept the safety certificate presented. Click on View Certificate. Accept permanently to get the process started. 3. Easily trim videos with VLC. You can also use VLC to edit your videos. This way you eliminate the need of having a dedicated program for doing that on your PC. In VLC, go to View, then select Advanced Controls. A few new controls will be added at the bottom. To start trimming your video, go to the section that has to be cut out, and press the record button. Once the part you wish to remove plays out, click on the record button once again to stop the process. If the section is small or you simply want to be accurate, you can opt for the frame-by-frame option. The trimmed video will be saved automatically in the My Videos folder in Windows. 4. Play/download streaming videos with VLC. VLC also brings the ability to download videos from a variety of streaming platforms, including YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion and more. Follow these steps. Open VLC on your PC. Go to Media. Open Network Stream. Select the Network tab, and enter the link in the Network Protocol URL section. Click Play, and the video will start playing in VLC. If you wish to download the video, press on the downward arrow next to the play button, and select the option to stream. A new stream output window will open. Click the Next button. In the Destination Setup window, click Add to select the downloaded video's destination file. Tap Browse, and select the file you wish to save the video in, then press Next. In the Transcoding Options panel, check the Activate Transcoding option. Select your preferred video format, then press Next. Click Stream to start the downloading process. 5. Record your screen and take screenshots using VLC. Another unique feature of VLC, which some users may not be aware of, is the ability to make screen recordings. Follow these instructions. In VLC, navigate to the Media tab, then select the Convert/Save option. Click on the Capture Device tab. Tap on the downward arrow next to Capture Mode to bring up a list of options and select Desktop. Choose your desired frame rate. 10 fps is a good choice for most videos featuring moving objects. Click on Convert/Save at the bottom. Select the directory where you want the resulting video to be saved. After choosing a name for it, Press the Save button. Click Start to begin the process. Start doing whatever you want on your PC, and VLC will record it. Once you're done, press the Stop button at the bottom in VLC to terminate the recording. 6. Subscribe to podcasts and listen to internet radio. VLC can keep podcast enthusiasts entertained by offering them the option to subscribe to podcasts and listen to radio from within the program. In VLC, go to View and select Playlist. On the left side of the display, scroll down until you reach the Internet section. Select Podcasts. Tap on the plus button next to Podcasts. Paste the URL of the podcast you want to add in VLC. You'll need to paste the podcast's RSS feed link in the subscribe window. Find the feed by visiting a podcast's official webpage rather than Spotify or similar apps. Once you've added the RSS link, you should be able to see all the episodes that have been added to VLC. Double-click on one, and VLC will start playing it. Alternatively, to start listening to a radio station, look on the left side of the display once again, tap on Icecast Radio Directory, and select one of the options in the list. Double-click the station for it to start playing. That's all. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.